Today, we've got a game plan for those of you ready to embark on the exciting journey of starting a successful side business. Whether you're looking to generate extra income or pursue a passion project, this guide is for you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our business-savvy content. Now, let's jump into the steps to kickstart your side business triumph. Step 1. Identify your passion and skills. The foundation of a thriving side business is aligning it with your passion and skills. What do you love doing? What are you good at? Combine these elements to find a business idea that truly resonates with you. Step 2. Market research. Next up, research your chosen niche. Who are your competitors? What's the demand for your product or service? Understanding your market is crucial for crafting a business that meets the needs of your potential customers. Step 3. Develop a solid business plan. Now, let's get strategic. Outline your business plan with clear goals, target audience, and revenue projections. A well-thought-out plan will serve as your roadmap to success and help you stay on track. Step 4. Set realistic goals. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful side business. Set realistic short-term and long-term goals. This will help you measure your progress and celebrate the small victories along the way. Step 5. Establish your online presence. In today's digital age, an online presence is a must. Create a professional website, set up social media profiles, and utilize online platforms to showcase your products or services. This is your storefront to the world. Step 6. Manage your time effectively. Balancing a side business with other commitments requires effective time management. Create a schedule, prioritize tasks, and don't forget to carve out time for self-care. A healthy work-life balance is key to sustaining your entrepreneurial journey. And there you have it, a roadmap to kickstart your side business successfully. Remember, patience and persistence are your greatest allies. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. Subscribe for more business insights